Run fast in the rain, no chains on your mane. Gallop through the storm, let it sing your name. The wild calls your heart, no rules, no blame. Born to be free, no two lives the same. Run fast in the rain, feel the sky in your veins. Born wild and free, let the world see, even a horse can dream. Trees so high, green leaves brush the sky. Colors explode where the flowers lie. The wilderness whispers, don't ask why. Peace in the meadow where no tears dry.